הבניין.
As Iran and Israel trade attacks, a new plot unfolds. Iranian Supreme Leader Ayatollah Khamenei could be in danger. American officials claim President Trump vetoed a plot to assassinate Khamenei. But who was the mastermind behind the plan to take down Iran's vital front? On June 13th, Israel launched a massive attack on Iran, aiming to prevent the nation from developing nuclear weapons. While the attacks were underway, Israel saw a golden opportunity to take down their long-standing leader, Ayatollah Khamenei. By assassinating Khamenei, Israel would not only eliminate the top leader in the Iranian hierarchy, but also create a power vacuum, leaving the nation struggling to replace its supreme leader. Through this move, Israel could potentially pressure Iran into conceding to its terms in the ongoing conflict. Before the death of Iranian President Ibrahim Raisi in May 2024, Iran was seen as an unstoppable force. Israel feared a war with Iran was imminent, but when Raisi died in a helicopter crash, the Iranian regime was severely weakened. With the president gone, the country struggled to mount a strong response against Israel and eventually halted its attacks. In the same way, with Khamenei gone, Israel could be free from future devastating assaults. According to US officials, Trump rejected a plan by Israel to kill Ayatollah Ali Khamenei. Trump reportedly told Netanyahu that assassinating Khamenei was not a good idea. The conversation is said to have happened after Israel launched its attack on Iran on June 13th. Later, during an interview to an American network, Netanyahu did not directly confirm or deny the news, but he did say that a regime change in Iran could certainly be the result of Israel's ongoing military campaign. Till now, Israel has said its goal in the war is to dismantle Iran's nuclear infrastructure and prevent it from developing a nuclear weapon. By launching Operation Rising Lion, Netanyahu went beyond Israel's traditional Begin doctrine. The doctrine, which was once used to neutralize nuclear threats, is now being applied in an effort to campaign for regime change. Netanyahu is calling on the Iranian people to rise up and remove their government. He stresses that Israel has no fight with the people, only with the leaders who support terrorism and cause suffering. Netanyahu believes Iran's power is weakening and that this is the people's chance to bring about change and gain freedom. As the plot to kill Khamenei intensifies, the Iranian supreme leader has gone into hiding. Along with his family, Khamenei was evacuated to an underground bunker in northeastern Tehran just hours after Israel began its strikes on June 13th. The Iranian supreme leader reportedly sought shelter in a bunker when Iran launched its attack on Israel in April 2024 and October 2024 as well. But how long will it take Israel to track down Khamenei and assassinate him? After Hezbollah's chief Nasrallah and Hamas's chief Sinwar, is Khamenei Israel's next target?
Ils ont fermé les portes. Oh mon Dieu, la peur. Voilà,
n'aie pas peur, n'aie pas peur.
on a entendu un boom.
Il y a un boum, il y a la fumée.
Voilà, on a entendu un boom et on voit. Oh mon Dieu.
Oh, non. Tu vas angoisser la mère.